Baby rhino milking. We were on walking safari. We were very close to them. Rhino were coming to us. Till that time, they didn't know we were there. We were about 10 meters from Rhino. They were busy grazing themselves. We stayed very silently. Mother rhinos started coming to us where they didn't know we were there. Still, she doesn't know we are right there. Now she heard us and she knows we are there. Now she will try to protect her baby. They will start running away from us. Thank you everyone for watching.